Today in this video, I will talk about how to learn anatomy 100 times faster. If you follow these points, then after watching this video, your anatomy look like this. 70-30 method. So what exactly the 70-30 method? If I explain it simply, 70% practice and 30% learning. This means that if you want to learn any skill, then practice 70% and learn 30%. But beginners do exactly the opposite. They learn 70% and practice 30%. In the end, they get only disappointment and nothing else. So see, skill grows through repetition, not through tutorials. Learn 10 minutes and apply 20 minutes. If you want to master your anatomy drawing quickly, then making small project is very important. Small project like your sketchbook, digital drawing, gesture, anatomy sheet. Small project act as a reward for the brain. When you make a such small project and when you look complete projects, a hormone called dopamine is released in your brain, which gives you happiness. You get motivated to work and you try to do even better than before. When you work on small project, you also realize that you are doing better now than before. You started to feel confident, you do everything better now, and you become more productive. If you want to improve your anatomy, work on small projects. So you can understand tracking process as keeping track of your work and improvement, so you can see where you started and where you are headed. In the case of anatomy, I explain tracking step by step and in simple language. During daily or weekly practice, it's crucial to check your stage. What is not improving, which mistakes are being repeated, and what your target should be for the next week. This improvement and keep direction clear. So why is tracking process important in anatomy? If you randomly draw human body parts, chances your process will be very slow. But if you track them, first the torso, then the arms, then the ribs, then the head, then the hands and feet, to master anatomy in a structured way. If you also need a weekly process tracker, there is a link in the description. You can download it here.